Okay, so today we're gonna try to build a very simple Milwaukee multi-port charger. It's gonna house one rapid charger and 3 of these regular chargers. The difference between the store-bought multi-port charger and this one is going to be that it's going to be able to charge all 4 batteries at the same time, not one by one. So first off, we're going to have one piece of plywood, 12 inches by 9.5 inches tall, and the second piece of plywood, 12 inches by 11 inches and a half. So here's the drawings of the cutout that I'm going to make from this plywood. Make a 1.5 inch handle over here. Cut out these corners right here. And 1.5 inch hole over here. This is going to be for wires for the outlets to go through. So if 12 inches by 9.5 inches is the smallest size, you want to fit two battery chargers on each side of this board. So let's go ahead and cut this out. I'm cut this out with a skill saw, and then I'm going to cut out this with a drill. So I cut out the 4 holes with the hole saws. Now I'm going to keep cutting out with the saw to make the handle and the hole for the wires. If you have a jigsaw, this would be a lot easier. I'm going to use what I have. So here I'm back. I cut out the pieces. I also cut out the corners to make it a little lighter. So next we're going to screw some screws into this board to hold the chargers, 2 on each side of the board. And you want your screws to be 3 inches 1/8 from the sides, from either side, and 6 5/8 from the bottom to this point. Same thing on this side and on the flip side. So here we have it. One thing you might want to do is you have to offset them a little bit into the inside on one side, because they're going to hit each other like I did. So now we're going to take this other piece of plywood, which is the base, and then we're going to screw this one on top of this one like this from down below. This is going to be the base, and this is going to be your handle with your chargers here. So there we have it. It's our base screwed on to our handle. So far so good, except for I think I'm going to add more screws. On each charger there's 2 holes for screws to hold the charger. I'm going to use both holes because without this, just one screw makes them very wobbly. So you want screws to be 4 inches, 1/16 apart, top and bottom screws. Here we have it. We're all in. So all we have to do now is take care of all the cords. So on one side we're going to shove both wires through the hole that we made on the bottom. Just on one side. Cords on one side of it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get my 3-way, connect them to a 3-way, and then zip tie all the cords together to make one single cord. So here's the 3-way. These are ready for this 3-way is going to go for the 3 chargers that are not the rapid chargers. And now I'm going to zip tie them all together. I'm going to add the rapid charger cord and zip tie them all together. Just not gonna zip tie the rapid charger cord to the cords down here, only down somewhere over here, starting over here. Here we have the cords zip tied. You could also go around with electrical tape and make it even look nicer. One thing I'm going to do over here is I'm going to probably put an electrical cable to hold all these wires together underneath, somewhere in this corner. That way they're not in the way of the batteries when you put them in. So there we have it. Let's go ahead and just do the electrical tape since I have it. So there we have it. Very simple. The good thing about it is it's going to charge all 4 batteries at the same time. This is quite light to carry around. I think 4 chargers is about as heavy as big as I would make it. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching.